So retirement not an issue because the caregivers used to be from the family. And the second was the caregivers were more of women in the family. It was international. I'm not talking about India. Worldwide, the non-monetary caregivers were more of women. Either a mother or a daughter or a daughter-in-law. But now what is happening? First thing, because they were non-monetary caregiver at one point of time, but now these females have gone out to work. There is an acute shortage of this non-monetary caregivers. Example matter. If she would have been at home, then this care given to the whole family would have been definitely better. But now she has to go and earn also. So now the women are working for the pay. They are not working voluntarily as non-monetary thing. So one thing has changed completely. Second thing, the children. Initially there were like 10 children. So एक के बाद एक ग्रो करते चले जा रहे हैं. वो कपिल का शो आता है ना, वो देखते कपिल का शो, तो उसको बोलते हैं 17 बच्चे हो गए तेरे ससुर को. उसका कौन है वो, क्या नाम है उसका, व्हाटएवर, सुदर्शन और व्हाटएवर, जो उसका फादर लॉ का रोल प्ले कर रहा है कि 17 बच्चे कैसे हो गए. सॉरी, मदर लॉ का भी रोल वही प्ले कर रहा है. तो 17 बच्चे कैसे हो गए. बोले कैसे हो गए, पहला मैंने किया, दूसरा मैंने किया, फिर वो बड़ा हो गया, उसने टेक केयर करना शुरू कर दिया, फिर होते चले गए. दैट वाज द सिचुएशन. सिबलिंग, आपके जो चिल्ड्रन है वो आपको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. अभी क्या है, इट इज नॉट अ सिचुएशन. यू जस्ट हैव वन चाइल्ड, यू आर वरीड अबाउट द चाइल्ड. हाउ कैन चाइल्ड टेक केयर ऑफ यू. थर्ड थिंग व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज लॉट ऑफ माइग्रेशन इज हैपनिंग. इफ यू सी द स्मॉल टाउन्स इन इंडिया, टियर 3 सिटीज, आपको ऐसा लगेगा जैसे कि दे हैव बिकम ओल्ड एज होम्स नाउ. I go to Mathura, my hometown, I see that it is becoming like an old age home. If I see only my community people, Chaturvedis. So what I see across when I go there every 1 or 2 months to just evaluate their health and all the patients coming to me are 60 plus. When I ask them about their children, somebody is in Dubai, somebody is in US, somebody is in Mumbai. My goodness, what is happening? So the parent and children are staying separate. So that support is also gone. वो भी गया. So the female caregiver is already gone because she is working now. One thing, children are staying away. Second thing, there is a huge gap in marriage and the childbirth. First is we are now marrying late. Initially the marriage used to be at 18 years of age, 20 years of age, and the childbirth at maybe 21 years when the boy is 21, a man is 21, and the female is say 18 years of age. Child is born. By the time child is 18 and adult, mother is only 36. Maybe younger than me. But child is 18. She is young. Her husband is also young. He may be 38 or 40 years of age. So he is also young. So he can work along with this child. One thing, or he can work a lot for this child, because when this child is needing the real help, economic help, the father is still 40. He is still young. But now things are changing. Now the marriage is happening at 30, 35 years of age. Even for the women are marrying at 27, 28, 30 years of age. Then they give birth at the age of 32, 33 years. Woman, and the man is at 40 or maybe 37, 38. So by the time the child is 20, parents are 50 and 60. How can they even afford to retire? Because at this time the child needs their support rather than other way around. Or the child goes for a non-skilled work. So that is the problem what is happening. And this cannot be taken care only by longevity. And here comes anti-aging. Why anti-aging? See, everybody has to be productive till the end day of your life, at your work or job or whatever you do. And the job creation is a problem of the government. Either you become a job creator by yourself. Clear? So that's how both the things are merging.